telling me a helium balloon is the only element that defies gravity? A little Pikachu balloon is beating gravity that's holding fucking big ass Bradley and skyscrapers to the fucking ground? A helium balloon's beating it? No. On Google, search up satellites and scroll and zoom in on his face. Look at Bradley's face when he sees satellites. Tell me how many of those photos are computer generated fakes. Be honest.
I'm going to Google satellites.
Just scroll and then we'll show it.
I'm going to images on Google and I'm looking at these satellites.
Are they fake photos that you're looking at? Be honest. Most of them are fake. 99% or 80%? What is it?
I mean, to be honest, I don't know. I've never been in space to look at a satellite, if I'm being honest with you. I don't have a reference point. I guess maybe they'd be fake.
Now, if you look at the ones that are real, it's the ISS, International Space Station, right?
Yeah.
But they've been caught with harnesses, wires, green screen, chroma keys, blue screens. They've been caught faking space. It's all on ericdubay.com's documentary. I don't get paid for this. I just promote it because it's real. But now look at this. If all the photos you saw are computer generated, and the real ones, they're getting caught with harnesses, literally, and they're accidentally dropping pennies while they're in zero G, which they're doing it with a parabolic fucking plane. It's very easy to do. By the way, space by definition means no atmosphere, right? How can you have a pressurized system like Earth in the vacuum of space? It's a logical fallacy. And you're going to say gravity is not, it's just a theory. It's a math model. And check this out, which has been debunked. Why things rise and fall is because of density. The phone is denser than the medium that surrounds it, which is air. If it was lighter, it would float. It would be more buoyant. Are you telling me a helium balloon is the only element that defies gravity? A fucking balloon? A little Pikachu balloon is beating gravity that's holding fucking big ass Bradley and skyscrapers to the fucking ground? A helium balloon's beating it? No, it's more buoyant. It's less dense than the medium surrounding it. That's how they explained it before gravity. When we're talking about satellites, every time you scroll with Google Earth, when you scroll out, all the photos are taken by the Google plane. Google that.
You said that.
Just in case they didn't Google it. But when you scroll out and leave low Earth orbit, it turns to computer generated again. It doesn't stay photos. Do you get what I'm saying? And the Earth starts to become a ball, which you said to Sneeko, I think you said you saw curvature at where? Where?
I was trolling
this
him.
blew me away. Empire State
Building. I was trolling him.
Airplane pilots, which most of them are flat earthers, especially if they've seen it, but they can't admit it because if, ladies and gentlemen, I'm a flat earther, everyone would start freaking out. He'd lose his job. He'd get arrested. If you say you're a flat earther, you lose everything. All my dating stuff, I think 40% of my market. I could have been way richer. They won't buy my programs because he's a flat earther. And I'm like, I'm with God. I'm not going to take that back to make more money and look more credible. Or they say, this guy is well thought out and thinks of everything before he platforms it, but not the flat earth stuff. I don't believe that. Dude, Google Earth, when you look at what curvature calculations, 8 inches per mile square, dude, you're supposed to see curvature at, airplanes are at 30,000 feet, at 60,000 feet, double it. Weather balloons double the height at 120,000 feet, and it always measures what Einstein called Earth an observable, motionless plane. That's why, I'm not CIA, that's why the word horizon comes from the word horizontal. That's why they're called tectonic plates and not tectonic balls.
Honestly,
that's why it's sea level and not sea curve.
I'll be honest with you. I wish that I had someone else on this podcast who could debate this properly with you, because I don't know enough about this whole flat earth versus round earth thing. I just find this shit fucking hilarious.
I'm debating Mike Sartain.
Dude, I'd love to do that right now, because I have
I'm going to Vegas for that, but I'm going to humiliate
about
him.
The flat earth.
He wants that. And we're doing other debates, and they got 40 girls with me doing some dating stuff, but the flat earth one, this guy's convinced, as an army guy, I think he's like a Navy SEAL, he's convinced it's round, which all Michelson-Morley experiments, all 6 of them, to prove that the earth is in motion, failed. All of them. And the earth's been proven by Tesla and everyone who said the earth's a realm, it's not a fucking sphere. They said it's an electromagnetic universe. That's why the sun looks like that. You believe the sun is a burning ball of gas burning in space. How the fuck can you burn in space? That makes no fucking sense. You believe the sun is a burning ball of gas. When you search up sun in space, what is it? It's fake. It's fake photos of the sun.
Dude, I haven't done that.
Or look at an eclipse, the yin and yang. It perfectly eclipses with the moon because they're the same size. The sun and the moon are small. The earth is massive.
What do you think the point of? What do you think the point of? I gotta ask this. I could ask this clearly. What do you think the point of it being round is then?
Well, it's clearly an attack on the first page of Genesis. If the Genesis is saying there's a firmament dome, and they're saying, nah, bro, it's a sphere, they're really saying that holy book is bullshit. There's dinosaurs before you, bro. That holy book is bullshit.
So you think it all has to do with religion? That's why they're saying
not religion, just the cross. The other religions has nothing to do with them.
What would the purpose be of that?